Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: your Pag Ibig MID or Mp2 account number, a valid ID, and a working email or mobile number. Next, choose how much to save. Remember, the Mp2 minimum is PHP 500. You can deposit monthly, quarterly, or as a lump sum. Once you decide, pick a payment channel. Online transfer speeds things up, while a branch or partner outlet lets you get a receipt. Doing this now saves time later and reduces errors when filling forms. You now enroll. Access the Pag Ibig online portal or request the Mp2 enrollment form at a branch. Carefully enter your MID or Mp2 number, the exact contribution amount, and the payment schedule you picked earlier. Then select your payment channel and attach an ID copy if the system asks. After reviewing every field, submit the form and generate the payment reference or official receipt. Keep that reference. This confirmation proves enrollment and links your deposit to the correct end. You finish by making the payment with the generated reference. Save the digital receipt or a printed copy immediately. Then, check for confirmation SMS or email. Processing typically posts within 3 to 5 business days, so verify your Mp2 balance on the portal once that window passes. If the deposit does not appear, contact Pag Ibig customer service or return to the branch with your receipt and reference number. This troubleshooting step resolves most posting issues and protects your savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.